Hi, I'm Raven.
And I'm Farinir, and we're in Paris.
Yay!
We have had the most wonderful time. We've been here for 8 days now. We started off in Disneyland, and we were there for 5 days, as you might have found out on our other video. Since then, we've been in Paris, living up life, and it's been the best holiday I have ever had.
That makes me so happy. I used to come to France a lot as a child, and I haven't been here for 10 years, so it's been really welcoming to be back. All my favourite food, my favourite places, and to show you all of my favourite things here. So we've been to the Musée d'Orsay, and we saw lots of Van Gogh and Monet paintings.
Brilliant.
And a lot of sculptures, and those massive paintings as well. Put some clips of that in here as well. And we went to the L'Orangerie, which is my favourite gallery. That was a gallery that was built by Monet, or commissioned by Monet. It's got his paintings in like big oval rooms.
They were massive. They were so big.
They're definitely like my favourite. I've been to so many galleries, but that one is always, there's just something special about it. And where else have we been? We've been at the Eiffel Tower.
To the very top.
The very tippity top. I hadn't been to the top before. There's 3 floors. I'd been to the 2nd floor, but I hadn't been to the top before. Tiny bit scared.
The top one was over double the height of the 2nd floor.
Yeah, the first two,
crazy.
the first floor and the 2nd floor are like quite close to each other, really.
Yeah, they're not that far apart.
Yeah, I'd say there's like the equivalent of like a 2-story building between them. Like it's not actually that big of a jump once you're up there, but the top floor is like super high.
Crazy. It was so high. We've got some amazing photos from the top. Oh.
We were lucky with the weather as well, because in Disney it was nice the whole time, and then the first day we got here in October, it's 24 degrees.
I think like 26 it peaked at one point.
It
was boiling.
Unheard of where we are now.
Yeah, it was a better summer day than our entire summer.
Honestly,
so that's really saying something.
So yeah, we went and did all the outdoor stuff on that day. So yeah, going up the Eiffel Tower, we could see for miles. Lovely.
We've walked about 25,000 steps every day, and I am exhausted.
My legs right now are just like, it's fine once I'm still, but the moment I have to move again, I'm sort of like...
For sure. But it was worth it, because we have done so much. We've been to so many food places, so many shops. Oh, the food. What was your favourite food?
I had the Caesar salad today. That was amazing. The fresh food here is so much better than you get in the UK. Like even when you buy like the fancy organic stuff in the UK, just like the basic food here is always like so much nicer. Like the budget stuff is already like our good quality. So I hadn't had a salad since being here, so yeah, I had the Caesar salad, and I think that was probably my favourite food.
It looked good.
It was just like so fresh, so much more like the lettuce in England is just sort of like meh, you know, it's like bland, you don't really want it, but that is here, it has like flavour and crunch, so it's fresh, it's so good.
Yeah.
What was your favourite?
I think the spaghetti bolognese I had today. Not very French, I know, but it was delicious. It was really good. Lovely little place that was.
Very nice. What was your favourite sweet treat that we had?
Favourite sweet treat? Oh, there's a question. We've had so many, I've honestly lost track. I don't know.
I think mine was the coffee eclair.
Oh yeah, maybe that. I had the chocolate eclair and that was really good. Those cakes we had today were good.
Yeah.
Do they count as French if they were from Starbucks?
Well, it was a different menu to the British Starbucks. So
that's true. That's true. Yeah. That was good. Delicious. My least favourite thing was probably waiting about 45 minutes in McDonald's. Never going to a French McDonald's again, I must say.
We were really tired and it was pouring with rain, and we didn't want to spend time finding like a different cafe nearby, and there was a McDonald's right next to us, so we're like, great, we'll just have that.
Quick and easy, we thought. I've never seen anything so bad in my life. There were 2 people working there, it seemed, and at one point they just both disappeared for 10 minutes and left us all queuing and building and building. There were loads of us, and they didn't bother to serve a single person. Someone was making food out the back, and they kept chucking it all forward, but no one was giving any out. So we just started piling. It was like, have you ever played the game Overcooked? It was a lot like that if you're really terrible at it.
Like us then?
Yeah, like us. Tune in to watch us on Twitch to find out.
I was going to say, we should definitely do an Overcooked series, because we are so bad at it.
Terrible. But yeah, it was awful. The worst McDonald's experience I've ever had. But that was fine. Otherwise, everything's been great.
What was your favourite shopping experience?
The Studio Ghibli shop, of course.
So we were walking home yesterday, and I saw someone walk past me with a like a white board like this big with Hal's face on it, and I was like, that's Hal. And I kind of like stood out the way, looked up at the building, and they were putting up signs for Maison Ghibli, and I was like, what is this? Can I go in? Like, what are they just updating it? Is this new? And we found it online, and it was a Studio Ghibli pop-up on the street we're staying on that opened today. And we leave tomorrow. And we had no idea this would be here. So we spent a bit of time and money in there
You
today.
couldn't make it up. What have we got?
We've got Gigi Totoro pillows.
Which one are you going to pick?
I wasn't going to pick. Have fun. Aren't they so full of these nice pillows?
That's very true.
Nice on a little sofa.
They would look lovely. Ooh.
You see that?
What's that you're holding? You picked another one.
Oh, yeah. Well, I think we got a matching set. Well, they're both from Totoro then. Right? That's logical.
It makes sense to me.
Look at his little face.
He's perfect. In fact, while we're here, show us the cushions.
Oh, okay.
They're right there, so we're going to have to grab them. That's it.
I got this massive Totoro cushion. It's so I cannot tell you how
So soft.
soft these are.
Oh, I
I
love
can't
them.
think of like a plushy line that's similar to compare it
No.
to, because they're just like velvet. And then I got the cat bus. But like, every time I saw something I liked, Farronay would be like, well, it would look really nice in our new home. It's like, in the basket it goes. But no, it was real nice, a real nice surprise to have that. Like, there's so much stuff I've never seen before. Like, I've been going to comic conventions for over a decade now. And I would say 90% of the stuff in there I've never seen before, never seen it online. And I'm one of those people who like regularly just kind of just browse the internet in circles looking for Studio Ghibli things.
That is an understatement right there. The hours you spend scrolling through shops on your phone.
Yeah, but I get all the cute things, so it's fine.
You find all the good
I
things.
spend a long time to get like the perfect things. But yeah, like literally like 90% of stuff in there I'd never seen before. So yeah, I just wanted everything.
It's dangerous, wasn't it? We spent a fair bit of money in there. It was funny because I think it was just before we'd been there, wasn't it? We went to a fancy shop in France. And there was like one of these really huge department stores, like 5 floors. And it was basically 4 floors of nothing that interests us. But when we got to the top, we found this little section that had some Ghibli plushies. And we were like, wow, they're so cute. So we got excited, went to have a look. Then we realised they had loads of other things as well, like, was it tablecloths and towels,
tablecloths,
signs and artwork.
The signs, teapot, mugs, like...
Saucepan.
Yeah, oh god, the
That was
saucepan was
nice.
so cute.
They
If
had,
that
like-
would be on induction, I would have got that, 100%.
They had like cups and glasses and bottles. They had loads, and it was really dangerous. We kind of wanted a lot of it, but it was also very expensive. So we left most of it. We bought a couple of little bits, but then left. Then on the way home, we found this shop. It's like, what are the chances of that?
It was quite reasonably priced as well. What's
Very.
nice shopping here in Paris is that it's all in euros, which is more than pounds. So I think it's something like £10. Sorry, 10 euros is like £8,
Something
£7.50.
like that. Yeah.
You know, so even though the totals come higher, then we get like a little translation on our phone once we've paid, and it's actually like a quarter less.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wow, that doesn't look so bad then.
It's a bargain now.
Exactly. So yeah, we've got lots of goodies, and I always said the other shopping experience that I loved was the Galeries Lafayette food court. So I've been to Galeries Lafayette several times, and it's kind of like Liberties in London is what it's probably the closest thing to it. And the building opposite I'd never been into, and we just saw like some little cakes in the window. Like, oh, that's nice. We'll just go get some little cakes. And then we saw there was like 2 sides to the shop. I'm like, oh, we'll go on this side and look at the cakes as well. And then suddenly, the whole shop just opened up to like a warehouse size of just food, mostly cake. And I just was like so overwhelmed. I was like, I don't know where to start.
We did like 3 laps before trying to decide what to actually eat.
Yeah, I've never seen so much food in one place. That was like so high quality as well. Like it wasn't just sort of like street food, like little stalls. It was like crafted artisan kind of stuff. It was
Yeah.
mad, and it wasn't like badly priced
No,
either.
it was all
There was a
right.
few stalls that were like, oh, that's a bit expensive, but most of the part it was like €5 per thing of cake.
So good.
Like the baguette I had was €5.90, and it was like a massive baguette. I think your pizza slices were €6,
Yep.
and they were like big
They
pieces.
were big slices for sure. Oh, and the smell of those spices
Yeah,
Oh,
they had like
gosh.
a little spice stall as well, didn't they?
smelled incredible.
And it
There's
was
so
like-
many good things. I could have stayed in there all day just eating constantly. But alas, we had to leave.
And tomorrow we go home.
Yep.
We tried filming somewhere more scenic earlier, as this is just in the apartment that we're staying in. But it's been raining on and off all day. So either we got to a nice location and it would start raining, or we found somewhere sheltered and then it would start raining and everyone would come into the shelter with us to hide from the rain.
We thought we
So-
found the most peaceful, quiet, isolated little spot. And then just as I finished plugging in all the cables for the microphones and everything, suddenly it started raining and loads of people came flooding in, making loads of noise. So here we are in the more comfy environment we find ourselves in now.
And dry.
And dry, that's the main thing.
The rain here has been mad. Oh, we had a thunderstorm the second night we were
Yeah.
here. Or was it first night?
I've lost track, honestly. The second night. The first night was really sunny.
Yeah.
So second night. Yeah, it's been
been really good
wild.
fun.
Torrential downpours. But we're having a great time.
You excited to come back?
I am. We've got a lot going on this week. And we've got loads of snacks to take with us. We've bought like one of every kind of Haribo we can find.
Oh my god, the Haribo here. The sweets here are so good.
They have such a better range of
And
sweets.
the hot chocolate. Because I maybe it might just be something that I noticed like as a child. Because often things that you have as a kid are better than when you have them as an
Yeah.
adult, and it's like, oh, this is kind of mediocre. But I swear this hot chocolate is like the most amazing, incredible thing.
We'll see.
It's like the best hot chocolate I've ever had.
We'll see
But I've now
about that.
bigged it up to Farinir for like years. Every
Yeah.
winter that we get hot chocolate, I'm like, it's nice, but it's not the one from France. And now we've got it. So I'll have to make you a cup when we get home,
Yeah.
and we can see if it lives up
Better be good.
to the tales of how good it is. I feel like
We'll
there's
see.
pressure now, isn't
There
there?
is. But I'll go in with an open mind and no expectations. It'll be fine. Be lovely.
It can't be horrible. It's
No,
hot chocolate.
exactly.
Like, you can't get bad hot chocolate.
Win-win. So yes, we've had the best holiday ever. Everything has gone beautifully. We've seen things we never thought we'd get to see. And we're going home tomorrow. And I can't wait. I can't wait to get back in my own bed with Joey. Just smother a little face. It's been lovely here, but we have walked far too much. And it has been exhausting. But it's so worth it. We've got so many nice things to take home. We might need a new suitcase to fit it all back, honestly. But that's a problem for in about half an hour. We'll start packing.
It was okay until we went to Maison Ghibli.
Yeah,
That really,
that will be our downfall.
yeah. I
But
don't know
you
how
can
to pack
squish
clothes.
cushions pretty much, and all these bits as well. They'll condense
I
down
mean,
pretty
it's quite
tight.
flat.
Yeah, be fine.
We'll see. And
So
then when we
yes.
get home, we get to see Joey, and also we get to see our house. We've not seen it for like 2 weeks,
It's been a long
and there's
time.
been a lot done to it. So yeah, very keen to get home. It's nice like going home from holiday and having something exciting to look forward to.
Yeah, for sure.
Like normally we just have like our boring jobs to return to. It's this
Back to
time
work.
we have like so many things at home to look forward to. So it definitely breaks the holiday blues a little bit.
Definitely. So we're gonna go home and take a look at it, get all caught up, make the next house vlog video. It's gonna be an interesting one because, like we've just said, there's been a lot of changes since we last checked in. So that's an exciting one. Until then, we're gonna enjoy our last night in France, and we'll catch you when we get back home. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.